Hello, everybody. I'm Mike Tucker. I'm a Surgent instructor, and I'd like to tell you about our IRA program. No, that's not IRAs that you think about most of the time. It's Inflation Reduction Act. And the important part, I think, of the Inflation Reduction Act for most of us are the energy credits and the automobile credits. Some are refined from prior credits. Others are completely new. These are the things our clients are going to ask us about. How does this credit work? How much is it? What is it in 2022? What is it going to be in 2023? So we're going to spend our time detailing those credits, talking about those credits, so you'll be able to talk to your clients about them and tell them what those credits are going to mean for them when they apply, how many dollars are involved. It's a great program. We'd love for you to attend. Sign up now.